hammer on and pull off exercises in A minor, exercise 1. A little bit quicker. We're going to break it down into little triplets, and again, please make sure you've got the PDF in front of you. If you need a copy, just WhatsApp me or inbox me, I'll happily send you the PDF. And you'll notice on exercise 1, they're in triplets and the notes are color coded. So the first 3 red notes should sound like this, slow motion. Now what's actually happening there, I'm pre-positioning finger 1 in fret 5, ring finger, fret number 7. I'm picking the 7, so I've picked him. I'm now going to pull off so that this finger takes over. So that's why the first finger needs to be pre-positioned in fret 5. Pick, flick, and then pinky to the top, fret number 8. Now also keep in mind you need to know that minor pentatonic scale, because all these exercises are based within this shape. So if you don't know the shape, go learn it, then come back here. Okay, now on the blue triplet, you pick the 5, hammer on to the 7, you'll notice. Ring finger does the hammer on, and you go down to the 5 over here. So if you combine the red and the blue for the first bar, we're going to have this. Pick, pull off, pick, pick, hammer on, pick. And then we want to get that rhythm working. In other words, we're going to repeat that first bar to establish that rhythm. So something like this. And get it nice and smooth and gradually increase the speed like I was doing there. Now I'm going to quickly focus on my picking hand to show you what is happening down that side. And you'll notice that my palm is resting just lightly on the bridge. Run about there, not enough to palm damp, but if I wanted to, just a small movement in, and I could dampen it like that. Now, I want you to observe when I'm picking, when I'm not picking. So I pick the 7, you can hear the pull off, you can see this didn't move. And I used the upstroke when I went up a string to the 8. So what's it? Downstroke, upstroke, then downstroke, downstroke. So it's and you're going to work your way through the scale like that. Now we're going to look at the next bar, so back to our fretting hand. Okay, the trick here now is repetition. If you're looking at the second bar, it's going to sound like this. And I want you to hear how similar rhythmically the first bar and the second bar sound. Sort of descends, ascends, descends, ascends. And that concept of descending and ascending runs the whole way through exercise 1. In fact, it's going to be quite a common theme through all the exercises really. Now on the second bar, you're starting with the same pull-off. So your ring is a number 7, first finger is going to be fret number 5, pick, pull-off like we did before, upper string, pick, hammer, down. And now I want you to combine slowly exercise 1, bars 1 and 2 together. 2, 3, 4, and the next bar is super easy. It's basically the same as the second bar, just a further string down. Now the last bar, pinky comes into play. So you want pinky, flick, ring, first finger, hammer on pinky, and back onto the 5 of the first finger. So all 4 bars should sound like this, slow motion. I'm going to count you in, see if you can play along with 2 and 3 and 4 and again, just watch my picking hand one last time. Watch the downstrokes, upstrokes. And its speed. So it's very minimal movement over here, and try and get your up and down stroke the same way going. Now we're going to demonstrate the second exercise here, which is basically a descending version of exercise 1. So here's exercise 2, descending. Okay, like that. And we're going to break it down bar by bar. So you're going to start with a 5 this time on the 5th fret, hammer on the pinky, go to the 1st string. Then the descending from the 8, nice pinky exercise, onto the 7. So slow motion. And then because of the nature of the shape of the A minor pentatonic scale, you're going to use fret 5 and 7 now for the next 2 bars. And we end nicely on the pinky there. Notice you should be able to vibrato it as well. So you want to play through exercise 2 with me. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... And there you have exercise 2. The next video will have exercise 3 explained, and if you've got any questions, drop me a WhatsApp. Otherwise, take care.